Hello friends, today we are going to create a flashlight. For that, we need a water bottle, two AA batteries, wires, switch and a LED light. First, cut the water bottle into two, like as shown in the video. Then, remove the cap from the bottle and make a hole at the center of the cap. I am using soldering tool to make a hole. Once it is completed, then we need to insert the LED light to the inner side of the cap. I am using a glue gun to stick the LED light to the cap. Once this process is completed, then we can start working on the circuit. The LED light will contain two pins. One is a positive pin and another one is the negative pin. The positive pin is a larger size pin and the negative pin will be smaller than the positive pin. In the circuit, you can see the positive side of the battery is connected to the positive end of the LED light. The negative side of the battery will be connected to the switch, and from the switch it is connected to the negative end of the LED light. So once you switch on it, the LED light will glow, and if you off the switch, the light will put off. Once we have tested everything, then we can arrange it into the water bottle. For that, I have already created a hole in the water bottle where we can insert the switch and paste it using a glue gun. Then we need to place this LED light as shown in the video. I am also pasting it using a glue gun. Once everything is completed, we can test it. You can see the amount of rays which is released from the flashlight. As we have made the flashlight using a transparent water bottle, the water bottle itself looking amazing. If you want to focus the entire ray in a single direction, then instead of using a transparent water bottle, you can use an opaque material so that the entire rays will be focused on a single direction and the flashlight will be more powerful.